Miss Pat, we have a really sweet dog here, Miss Darla, huh?
Yes, this is Darla. She's 2 years old. She's a lab mix, black, and I don't think she has any white on her.
Got big old pearly whites and a great big smile that she flashes all the time. $1 million smile.
With her beautiful eyes.
Uh-huh, yeah. Oh, striking, arresting eyes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
She is a good, sweet girl. She's owner surrendered. She's a beautiful dog. She is just a beautiful dog. And I go for temperament. And this lab temperament, particularly if you've got children, you can't beat it.
Yeah.
You just can't beat it. And she's intelligent, and she's staying here on the leash with us. And
very good-natured and responsive. She knows her name.
And as Melissa would say, she's confident.
Yeah, she's
a confident dog.
She's not afraid.
No.
And she doesn't know us, but she's been very friendly with us.
Yes, she has.
She weighs 68 pounds. Her owner said she's very good with children. She likes treats. Yeah, she likes treats and takes them gently. We can't get over her eyes.
Yeah.
They're so pretty. Yeah, they look right into your soul, don't they?
And a dog that's black, it's nice to have outstanding eyes. You see something more than just the black face. You see the beautiful eyes looking at you.
She's really not all black. She's got that sable mink coat.
Yeah.
You can see the little brown markings in here in the right light.
Yeah.
And she lived with another dog, so we figure she gets along well with dogs. And she did her business just as soon as she got out here. So that makes us think that if she's not already house trained, that she could easily be trained.
That she was reliably house trained.
Yeah, oh, okay, so we know for sure. Well, there you go. She's reliably house trained.
I got some more here. Can you sit? Oops, I lost it. Do you sit?
Oh, yes, she does.
Oh,
yeah,
yes, you do. Does she lay down? Down. Yes.
Look at there. There you go. She is a jewel. She really is a sweetheart. And she can be yours. She can be your girl. Oh, she's a leaner too.
Yeah.
Yep, she is a leaner. She just loves affection, just loves it. She's a great girl.
Come and see her at Nassau County Animal Services.
State Road 200 in Yulee, Florida. It's right behind the AutoZone store, across A1A from the Pet Cup. And you'll be saving her life for sure. Please come see her real soon. Please come see Darla.